Hello YouTube, this is Quinn, that's Snazzy iPhone Guy, and this is Case Week. That's right, every video this week is going to be correlated to an iPhone 4 case review. So I hope you enjoy, and let's dig in. First we have the A case. This is one of my favorite cases. It's my go-to case actually, and I'm just a really big fan of it. It is a very minimalist style case, and I can't say there's a lot to it. It looks really good. It feels really nice. It has this matte soft touch finish, just absolutely superb. Unlike a lot of soft touches like the iFrogz Luxe, this one doesn't scratch. You can scratch at it all day long and it doesn't give a scratch look. It still looks new and sexy. It comes in like so many colors you would die. Right here on hand, I mean I'm even missing a few. I just have like half of them they sent me. I have a red, a graphite, I have an orange, I have a blue, which is still in the box. I have a gold, which is still in the box. I have a white, which is still in the box. I have a black, which is still in the box. I have a silver, which is still in the box. And there's, there's clear, there's purple, there's pretty much every color you can think of, there's an A case of. I really like the case itself because it's just a very, as I said earlier, minimalistic style. I mean, they're very, if you take a gander at the case, you can see there's the cutout for the silent switch right here. You have your volume buttons. On the bottom you have a full complete cutout, which I'm not a huge fan of, but I can understand why they wouldn't want to put a bridge over this. Again, this side is fully covered, and then you have the vibrate switch, you have the sleep wake button cutout, and you have a headphone jack cutout. I like it because it isn't recessed, so you should be able to use any headphones you can find in here. Good feature. And then on the back we have a camera or a flash. Now the flash works marvelously on this. You're not going to get any of the feedback or all that other crap that comes through on a couple of cases, so the flash is good to use on the A case. It comes with two screen shields. They're not the best screen shields I've ever used, but I am going to say that they're the best screen shields that have ever been included with a case. They're no SGP style. I mean, they're not an SGP screen shield, but these are hands down the best screen shields that I've used that aren't, again, for professional, that aren't standalone screen protectors. Let me rephrase this. As for throw-ins, these are the best screen shields I've ever used. Still not perfect, but pretty dang good, and you get two of them. So I think the A case is an excellent value. It looks good, it feels good on the phone, it's really easy to get in and out. You just stick the buttons in the side and snap, and you're ready to go. As I said earlier, it has this matte finish which gives for really good grip, and you have full access to all your buttons. And I just think it's a really superb way to go. So this is Quinn, that's Snazzy iPhone Guy. This is the A case, and my final review is a 9 out of 10. The only thing I can see wrong with it is it's not going to protect your phone from drops necessarily, and there's also no lay on the table design, so you are SOL in those two categories. But other than that, this is an excellent minimalist style case. This is Quinn, that's Snazzy iPhone Guy. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, stay snazzy. See you later, folks.